This is lesson 137, Writing with Phonics, which is our writing lesson for today. We have a two-sided paper. This says extra practice, but I think you need some extra practice, so we're going to do two sides of this page today. I'm going to go over a few things with you. Mostly I would like to practice the capital Y and the lowercase y, because we do have some trouble with those. Let's go to our writing paper here. You don't need to do this, just watch. Remember that the capital Y starts at the very top line. You start there and you go slant down to the dotted line and bounce back up. Now remember, you go down to the dotted line and back up. Then you lift your pencil. I lifted my pen. Then I put it down here and go straight down to the bottom line. Don't go in the basement. The capital Y does not like to be in the basement. Now I'm going to do that again. I had to adjust my tablet. Let me try that again. Starting at the top line. Go just down to the dotted line and bounce back up. And then you lift your pen, your pencil, and you start down here and go straight down to the bottom line, not the basement where the spiders are. Okay, now we have two capital Y's. The lowercase, or the little y, is a little bit different because we don't go down and up. We just go down, lift our pencil, and go down again. Let's try that again. Start on the dotted line, go slant to the bottom line, not in the basement with the first line. Then you go back up to the dotted line and you bring the line down. Just kiss that one, touch it a little bit, and then you keep going down into the basement. There we go. And stop at the basement floor. Now Y's are those basement letters that like spiders, but only the little one. The big one stands tall up on the bottom floor. It never goes in the basement. Let's do the Y another time here. Just watching. Start at the dotted line, go down to the bottom line, the red one, and then lift your pencil. Remember to use pinchy fingers. Start on the dotted line again and go down, just touch that right there at the line and keep going until you get to the bottom of the basement. There you go. Nice, neat lines. Make sure this is straight, and whenever you do the Y, don't go down, up, and then down again. These go down and up. Lift your pencil and go down. These are just one line down and then one down the other way. Okay, so I'm going to clear that and go to the slide. Now you have some capitals and lowercase. I want you to trace carefully over the gray ones, and I want you to write on the next line. You're going to do Y's all the way across, capital and little y all the way across. Then you have yell. You need to write that here. Yum. Write that after that. And this is a whole sentence. Remember, this is an exclamation point, and we've talked about that a little bit. This means it's very, very, emotional or very exciting or very scary. Let's read this. Yum. And so this exclamation point would make that say yum, like wow. Very strong emotional. Okay, yum. Gus likes to eat. Oh, there's Gus. And yes, it looks like he likes to eat a lot. Okay, so you will copy this after you trace it. Put that on line 4. Let's go over here to this other one. Oh, I see a hill full of ants. And this little boy's watching them. I'm going to read this to you. God made the ants. I like to see them. Now remember, when you have two vowel words, make sure you get both vowels on there. Sometimes a few of you forget to put both, and you'll leave off the E. Then it's God mad the ants. So let's make sure we get all your letters, leave spaces in between the words so that it's not all one word. So when you trace that, go down here and carefully write it. If you write too big for this, ignore the little dots. So just write your best, stay on the line, pinchy fingers. And down here it says write carefully and use pinchy fingers. And that's a smiley face because I want you to have a good day. I miss you guys terribly. I will see you. I hope I get to see you very soon. Bye-bye.